welcome to Miss Anita's phonics class. This is a place for you to learn your letter sounds and also learn to read using those letter sounds. If you're new here, please like and subscribe so that you never miss another lesson with Miss Anita. For alphabet flashcards to support learning at home or at school, please click the link in the description box and you'll be able to access them. Alright, let's get into today's lesson. Today we are thinking about a new letter sound and I have some picture clues for you. Alright, I am going to place the pictures over here and if you know them, please shout them out. Okay? These are going to help us to work out today's sound before I reveal it. Okay, that is our first picture. This is the second one. And this is the last one. All right. Boys and girls, what do we have here? You're right. We have shark, fish, shoes. I wonder if you can hear that same sound among these three picture names. Let's check again together. Shark, fish, shoes. What is the same sound about them? You are right. All these three pictures have sh sound somewhere in them. Let's check. Shark. I can hear sh at the beginning of the word. Fish. I can hear sh at the end of the word. Shoes. I can hear sh at the beginning as well. So today we are thinking about the sound sh. Letter S and H together they make one sound sh. Let's practice saying sh sound together, alright? My turn and your turn, okay? My turn, shh, your turn. My turn, shh, your turn. Excellent. Now, I would like you to say shh 3 times to the person next to you or to your learning buddy. I'm going to speak to my learning buddy. Ready, set, go. Shh, shh, shh. Excellent. And which two letters make sh sound? S and H. Great job. Now that you can hear sh sound in spoken words, I wonder, can you think of words that have sh sound in them? Pause the video to give yourself some time to think, and I'll think as well. I've thought of 3 words. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend those sounds together so that we can work out the words. Okay? The first one is sh, o, p. Which one is that? Shop. You're right. The next one is sh, o, t. Which one is that? Shut, shut, shut that door. Excellent. And the last one is sh, I, which one is that? Shine. Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. You are working really hard. Okay. Now that we can hear sh sound in spoken words, we can think of words with sh sound. We can recognize sh sound when it's written down. Let's have a go at writing sh sound. Okay? All right. I'll have my turn first and you'll have your turn as well. Okay. Remember, which 2 letters make sh sound? S and H. Okay. Shh. Your turn. All right, my turn again. Shh, your turn. Excellent. Now, I would like you to write sh sound 3 times on your whiteboard as you say it, all in your books. Okay, let's go. Shh. Shh. Remember to place the letters next to each other because they work together to make that one sound. Shh. Good job. Have you done it? Excellent. Well done. Okay. We know that actions help us to remember our letter sounds. For this sound, I would like you to put your index finger right in front of your mouth and say shh, shh. Let's have a go together. Shh, shh. Fantastic job, boys and girls. Now let's have a go at reading words with sh sound. Okay? All right. Remember, we sound out the letters first and then blend them together to read the words. Okay? Your turn to sound out. I'll do the pointing for you. Now blending the slow way. First way. Did you read it? Okay, let's work it out together. Sounding out, everyone with me. Let's go. Sh, o, p. Now blending the slow way. Shop. First way. Shop. And the word is shop. Shop. Excellent. Well done. All right. Let's have another go with a different sh word. All right. Sounding out, your turn. Now blending the slow way, the fast way. Did you read it? Okay, well done. Let's work it out together as well. Sounding out, everyone with me. Let's go. Sh, o, t. Now, blending the slow way. Short. Fast way. Shut. Shut. And the word is shut. Please shut that door. Right. Okay, and the last one. Okay, your turn to sound out the letters. There you go. Now blending the slow way, fast way. Did you read it? If you did, well done. Let's work it out together as well. Sounding out, everyone with me. Let's go. Sh, now blending the slow way. Shell. Fast way. Shell. Shell. All right. The word is shell. Good job, boys and girls. You've worked so hard on sh sound today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next lesson. Bye.